I used to drag back here in high school.
Oh, wait.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A few special guests here. We got a CBR 600, beautiful GSX-S 750, MT-07, and a Grom. Bro, this man is so good at wheelies, man. I swear to God. So I'm praying to God that this video is gonna have audio. I had nothing but problems in bike week. That video will be coming after this one, just trying to do a voiceover with it. It's been an issue, so I hope this one's working and we're good to go. But if you haven't seen the last video between me and this MT-07, I will be sure to put it in the corner. So I'm gonna try to get some runs with the CBR. We already know how this is gonna work out. The R6 did me, oh, they're so dirty. And truthfully, that 600s do run. So I'm not sure if the CBR is gonna be better or worse of a beating. So now I know I gotta stay super high in this power band. And hopefully today's going to be a lot different and a lot closer than the R6. You guys also got to remember, I am a hefty boy. I'm 225 pounds, so if these races are close, just imagine would it be someone a lot lighter than me. But hey, I'm working on it. I just signed up for Weight Watchers. I'm just kidding. So we got my man Austin on my bike. Make it a little fair because I'm a little chunky boy. How'd it go?
The first one, I think he passed me at like $1.20. The second one, what, you think you come up? Yeah. The second one, he came up and I kept going.
This is my first time on a sport bike, and of course it's got MotoGP. Shout out to the homie for letting me ride it. This thing sounds ridiculous, man. I thought it was gonna be really weird to do MotoGP, but I actually kind of like it. It's nice. You can just go down, you have to put your foot underneath and all that.